Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a coupon on MEXC. For that, first of all, you will have to open your MEXC app and then log in into your account. If you don't have an account on MEXC, if you are completely new, you can just use the link that is given in the description and you can avail 8,000 USD bonus as of right now. So once you are on MEXC, you just have to tap on your profile icon in the top, and over here you will see the more tab. If you are not able to see that, simply tap on the more tab on the home page, and over here you just have to use the search bar in the top and search for rewards. Now once you search for rewards, you will find the section of rewards hub. So you will have to come on this page, and over here you will see the list of all of your ongoing rewards. Then you will also see the options of the ended rewards. So tap on the my rewards section here, and over here you will see the bonuses and the voucher option as well. So you can select these and you can get your voucher redeemed here. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.